Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about how you can prepare for GMains and Advanced. So as you know, in 1 month you will be giving GMains. So now I'm going to be giving you some very important tips on how you can do well and you can succeed in GMains. So the number one tip that I want to give you is that make sure that by now you have finished the NCERT book. Okay, make sure you have done each and every question from your NCERT book. Now this doesn't just go for maths, this goes for physics and for chemistry. You know, GMains is an exam which focuses on the CBSE syllabus. So you seriously need to make sure that you know the concepts from the CBSE syllabus, like from the NCERT books. The NCERT books have the entire CBSE syllabus. So that's the first important tip. Make sure you complete your NCERT books. Now the second tip to do really well in GMains is to complete the NCERT exemplar. Okay guys, make sure that you are doing the NCERT exemplar, because if you haven't started that by now, chances of doing very well in GMains is going to be very tough. So in all three subjects, make sure you are doing questions of the NCERT exemplar level. By now you should have completed all the NCERT questions, and you should be focused on questions of NCERT exemplar level. Now another thing that you guys really need to focus on is speed and accuracy. And the only way you can focus on speed and accuracy is by doing as many past papers as you can. Now usually people will tell you that you should do past papers of the previous 2-3 years, but I honestly feel you should do past papers of not just the previous 2-3 years, but of the previous 5-6 years, because I have a prediction that this year GMains is going to be a little more tough than what it was last year and in the previous years. And if you really want to do well, you should not only practice past papers of the last 2-3 years, but practice past papers of the last 5 to 6 years. And I have this feeling that the maths paper this year in GMains is going to be pretty tough. So make sure you are doing questions of NCERT exemplar level. Okay, so by now, if you are not finished with NCERT, well then you might have a little bit of trouble. But if you are finished with NCERT, and you're on the NCERT exemplar level, you're going to do pretty well. So make sure you're stressing on NCERT exemplar level problems. And one more thing that I want to tell you is that make sure you do all the miscellaneous examples in the NCERT book. Make sure you do all the miscellaneous questions also, and make sure you solve each and every question in NCERT exemplar. Now I know I said this quite a few times, but this is what you have to do if you want to succeed. Now another thing that I want to tell all of you guys is that if you have any weak topics that you are not able to understand, or you have just you have left some topics out, don't worry about them. Okay, we all leave out certain topics, and we all have weak topics, but right now the main problem with you is time. Okay guys, you don't have time, so focus on your strong topics, on the concepts you know well, so you can do them. Make sure. And then another thing that I want to say now, for all of you people who are going to be giving G Advanced, for example, make sure that you have completed your NCERT exemplar, and now you are doing questions which are of an even harder level. Okay, now I know that G Advanced is gonna come way later, way after GMains. That's obvious. The system has kind of changed. But the reason why I'm saying this is that some students already know कि GMains तो हम निकाल लेंगे, GMains तो ज़्यादा मुश्किल है नहीं, तो उनकी टेंशन होगी जी एडवांस पे। तो अगर आप उस स्टेज पे हो, so by now make sure you have completed your NCERT exemplar questions in the 3 subjects, and also you completely understand your NCERT, and start doing questions which are a little harder than the level of NCERT exemplar, and you'll do well. And my advice to all of the people who are going to be giving G mains and G advanced is that अगर आपके कुछ टॉपिक्स रह गए और अगर आपके कुछ वीक टॉपिक्स हैं, तो अभी उन पे टाइम मत खराब कीजिए। डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम on topics you haven't even touched or you haven't even studied, and on weak topics. There's not much time for G mains, and as all of you know, you have to do well in G mains, like you have to qualify in G mains to qualify for G advanced. तो अगर आपके हैं कुछ weak topics and there are some topics which you haven't even touched, well then just forget about them. Don't waste your time on them. Focus on your strong topics, on your strong concepts, and continue preparing. And one more thing that I want to tell all of you is that I had made a video long back. I think I had made a video in January. I had made 3 videos in January. During that time, everyone was very apprehensive कि सिर्फ 5-6 महीने रह गए, है ना 4-5 महीने रह गए G mains के लिए. So how will we be able to do well? So I have made 3 videos on G mains. Now I want you to watch all 3 videos. Now the first 2 videos, I really elaborate on what you should be doing. So all the advice that I had given at that time, you should use that advice now. Now in this video I've already given you advice, but in that video I elaborated that advice to you. So I think you should take that advice. Okay, I think you should watch those 2 videos and you should take that advice. And now another thing is that, like I said, I made 3 videos. So out of the 3 videos, in the 2 videos I've elaborated what I just said. But I think it makes sense that all of you should watch those 2 videos. You'll get a lot more insight on what I want to say about preparing for G mains and G advanced. आपको पता चल जाएगा वो कौन सी वीडियोस हैं. And the last video, I think certain people will probably misunderstand. I had recommended some books for G mains, but guys, the books that I recommended, were not books that you normally read for competitive exams. Guys, ऐसा होता है कि कुछ स्टूडेंट्स बहुत ही वीक होते हैं, तो वो अपने कॉन्सेप्ट्स में इतने वीक होते हैं कि वो कभी उस तरह की बुक ले ही नहीं पाते जिसमें competitive एग्ज़ाम के लेवल की जो क्वेश्चंस होते हैं वो वाली बुक्स वो कभी ले नहीं पाते. तो in the third video, the books that I have recommended, are for those students who are absolutely weak in their concepts. The books that I've recommended is for those students. The books that I've recommended. Okay, so that's basically what I wanted to say. Now the thing guys is that I keep on forgetting everything that I seriously want to tell you. कभी कभार दिमाग में आता है फिर नहीं आता. तो let me just think, is there anything else that I want to tell you? हाँ, basically what I wanted to tell you is कि ये जो थर्ड जो वीडियो है, तो उसमें जो मैंने बुक्स रेकमेंड की हैं वो उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए हैं जो बिल्कुल ही वीक हैं और उनको लगता है वो कम्पिटिटिव लेवल की बुक उठाएंगे तो फिर उनको कुछ समझ नहीं आएगा. सो प्लीज़ ट्राई एंड अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई आई रिकमेंडेड दोज बुक्स. नहीं तो अगर आपके कॉन्सेप्ट्स स्ट्रॉन्ग हैं तो आपको ऑलरेडी पता है कौन सी कम्पिटिटिव बुक्स आपको तीनों सब्जेक्ट्स में आपको उठानी है. एंड अनदर थिंग गाइस इज़ दैट आई एम अ मैथ्स टीचर. ओके, फिज़िक्स एंड केमिस्ट्री का मेरे को इतना आइडिया नहीं है ना, मैं आपको बाद में बताऊँ, बट आई एम एक्चुअली अ मैथ्स टीचर. तो मैथ्स का आई कैन टेल यू विच बुक्स वर्क एंड विच बुक्स डोंट. I can tell you that. सो व्हाट आई रियली वांट टू से इज कि जो थर्ड वीडियो है लाइक आई सेड, तो उसमें मैंने जो बुक्स रेकमेंड की हैं, यू नो इट इज़ नॉट फॉर दो स्टूडेंट्स जिनके कॉन्सेप्ट्स बड़े स्ट्रॉन्ग हैं, जिनके कॉन्सेप्ट्स अभी भी थोड़े वीक हैं, और उनको ये है कि चलो जी मेन से यू नो हमें शायद कोई सेंट्रली फंडेड इंस्टीट्यूट ना मिले, लेकिन हो सकता है कोई और इंस्टीट्यूट मिल जाए, या कोई लो रैंक सेंट्रली फंडेड इंस्टीट्यूट मिल जाए, वो पॉसिबल है. सो द बुक्स दैट आई रिकमेंडेड देयर are for students who are a little weak and who think they don't have a chance to do well in GMAINs. And if they, you know, the books that I recommended, if they do those books, you know, they still have a fair chance of doing well. Now, when I mean well, I mean to say maybe getting a sort of rank where they can get, you know, where they can get a course in a low ranked NIT, you know, or maybe into a course in like DTU or somewhere where the rank you have is pretty low. So guys, कभी कभार क्या होता है, ये बातें जो होती हैं समझानी जो होती है बहुत मुश्किल होती हैं, and I don't want to waste too much of your time. And the reason why, you know, I'm talking very fast and I'm talking in a way as if you're like कि क्या बात कर रहा है. I'm talking like this because I wanted to keep the video as short as possible, you know, so please try and understand. So the only thing that I want to say to all of you right now is that आप वो दोनों वीडियो ज़रूर देखिए, और जब आप वो थर्ड वीडियो देखेंगे, मैंने तो आपको बता दिया, मैंने तो आपको आइडिया दे दिया what the third video is about, so you will be able to read through the lines what the third video is about. बट आई रिकमेंड आप वो दोनों वीडियोस देखिए. उन दोनों वीडियोस में मैंने आपको ऐसी इंसाइट दी है कि आपको समझ में आ जाएगा हाउ टू टेक योर प्रिपरेशन फॉर जी मेन, यू नो, हाउ टू प्रोसीड विद योर प्रिपरेशन फॉर जी मेन्स एंड जी एडवांस. एंड गाइज रिमेंबर वन मोर थिंग कि पहले दे वर बोथ इंडिपेंडेंट एग्जाम्स, यू नो, सो इट डिडंट रियली मैटर, बट नाउ यू शुड वरी मोर अबाउट जी मेन्स देन जी एडवांस, क्योंकि जब तक आप जी मेंस में नहीं क्वालिफाई कर पाओगे, यू नो, यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू सिट फॉर जी एडवांस. सो मेक श्योर यू गिव इट इम्पोर्टेंस टू जी मेंस. ये सबको पता है, बट आई थॉट व्हाई डोंट आई जस्ट गिव यू अ रिमाइंडर. बट एनीवेज, in 1 month's time you will finally be giving G means. Now another thing that I want to say, guys, is please constantly keep on checking the NTA website. Okay, please constantly keep on checking the NTA website to see the dates when the exam will be conducted. Okay, the dates keep on changing, and I don't know how and why they change, and so whenever they will change, you know, you will know from the website. So please go on their website constantly to keep checking कि वही date है कि नहीं. I'm not going to, you know, issue any date because, guys, I don't want to create confusion or anything. So make sure you visit their website constantly to keep checking whether the date has changed or not. But anyways, I wish all of you the very best of luck, and I request all of you कि आप जितने लोगों से ये वीडियो शेयर कर सकते हैं प्लीज़ शेयर कीजिए. नाउ आई नो मैंने थोड़े जल्दबाजी में सब कुछ बोला, आपको शायद समझ में नहीं आया होगा, बट लाइक आई सेड आई वांटेड टू कीप इट एज शॉर्ट एज पॉसिबल, बट ऐसा हो नहीं पाया. बट आई विश ऑल ऑफ यू द बेस्ट एंड गुड लक. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.
Thanks.